Hello guys, today I'm going to be fishing on the river. I'll be using a stick float on my centre pin, and I'll try and get maybe a big chub. I don't know about that, but see if I can catch a few silvers and stuff. So yeah, let's see if I can catch one. I just caught this lovely dace on the centre pin. It's a bit lively, so let's get him back. Oh, it's doing me. Just caught this lovely roach. It's a bit lively. Yeah, lovely roach, biggest one of the session so far. Let's get him back. So as you've seen, I've had a few roach and little chub and some dace. They were all on the maggot, so I'm going to have a go on the worm in these two spots, see if I can get anything. If not, I'm going to move spots, try it on the stick float in another spot. If I'm not getting anything, I might change over to feeder and see if I can get maybe something a bit bigger. But yeah, let's see if we can go get a few more. So I've just had this gudgeon on the feeder, very nice gudgeon, oh, as you can see there, very nice. Let's get him back. Hello guys, so as you've probably seen, I've had a few fish and a crayfish. Didn't have anything too big, but still got a few, so yeah, see you in the next video.